Did you know that one simple oil sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now could completely transform your hair from thin and lifeless to thick and gorgeous? I'm talking about an oil that's been used for centuries but somehow gets overlooked by most people today. Stay with me because what I'm about to share will blow your mind and save you hundreds of dollars on expensive hair treatments. I used to spend a fortune on hair products promising miraculous results. Serums, treatments, salon visits that cost more than my monthly grocery budget. Nothing worked. My hair was thin, dull, and honestly embarrassing. Then I discovered this one oil that changed everything. Within just 4 weeks, people started asking if I got extensions. My hairdresser couldn't believe the transformation. The secret weapon I'm talking about is castor oil. Now, before you roll your eyes thinking this is just another internet trend, let me explain exactly why this thick, sticky oil is actually a hair growth powerhouse that most people completely misunderstand. First, let's talk about what makes castor oil so special. This isn't your average cooking oil. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid that makes up about 90% of its composition. This acid has incredible anti-inflammatory properties that can transform your scalp environment. Think of your scalp like soil in a garden. If the soil isn't healthy, nothing good grows. Ricinoleic acid helps create the perfect environment for hair follicles to thrive. But here's where most people mess up. They grab any castor oil from the store and wonder why it doesn't work. You need cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil. The cheap stuff has been processed with chemicals that strip away all the good properties. It's like comparing fresh orange juice to that artificial orange drink. Same color, completely different nutritional value. Now let me share the exact method that transformed my hair. This isn't complicated, but the details matter. Start with completely dry hair. Never apply oils to wet hair because water creates a barrier that prevents deep penetration. Take about 1 tablespoon of castor oil and warm it slightly between your palms. The warmth helps it spread easier and penetrate deeper. Section your hair into 4 parts. This ensures even distribution and prevents you from missing spots. Start at your scalp, not your ends. Massage the oil directly into your scalp using circular motions for at least 5 minutes. This massage is crucial because it stimulates blood circulation to your hair follicles. More blood flow means more nutrients reaching your hair roots. Work the oil down your hair shafts, but focus most of your attention on the scalp and the first few inches of hair near your roots. This is where you want to encourage new growth. Cover your hair with a shower cap or wrap it in a warm towel. The heat helps the oil penetrate deeper into your hair shaft and follicles. Here's the part most tutorials get wrong. Leave the oil on for at least 2 hours, but ideally overnight. I know it sounds gross sleeping with oily hair, but this is where the magic happens. Those 8 hours of deep conditioning while you sleep are worth more than any expensive salon treatment. When it's time to wash it out, don't wet your hair first. Apply shampoo directly to the oily hair and work it in. The shampoo will emulsify with the oil, making it much easier to remove. Then rinse with warm water and shampoo once more if needed. Follow with a light conditioner only on your ends. Do this treatment twice per week for the first month, then once weekly for maintenance. I started seeing new baby hairs sprouting around my hairline after just 3 weeks. By month 2, my ponytail was noticeably thicker. By month 3, people were asking for my secret. But castor oil isn't just about thickness. The moisture it provides creates incredible shine. Your hair will look glossy and healthy, not greasy. It also helps reduce breakage by strengthening your hair shaft from the inside out. Less breakage means you retain more length, which contributes to that fuller appearance everyone wants. Let me address some common concerns. Yes, castor oil is thick and sticky. That's actually a good thing because it means it's pure and unprocessed. The consistency might feel weird at first, but you'll get used to it. Some people worry about clogged pores on their scalp. This rarely happens with pure castor oil, but if you're concerned, do a patch test first. The results speak for themselves. After 6 months of consistent use, my hair was completely transformed. What started as a desperate attempt to save my thinning hair became a game-changing routine that gave me confidence I hadn't felt in years. Here's the best part about this whole process. 1 bottle of good quality castor oil costs less than $20 and lasts for months. Compare that to expensive hair growth treatments that cost hundreds and often contain harsh chemicals. This is natural, affordable, and actually works when you do it correctly. Your hair transformation journey starts right now. Don't wait until tomorrow or next week. Go grab some cold-pressed castor oil today and commit to this process for at least 1 month. Document your progress with photos because the changes will amaze you. Drop a comment below sharing your hair concerns, and I'll personally help you customize this routine for your specific needs. Your future thick, shiny hair is waiting for you to take action.